Well, behind me, you can see the beautiful cars lined up, and right now we are in Alibag, and we are joined here by this gentleman, Mr. Ashish Gupta, who is the brand director of Skoda India. Thank you so much, Ashish.
Thank you.
First of all, for calling us here and giving us such an exciting ride yesterday. Thank you so much, and we may congratulate you for this beautiful collection.
Thank you.
First of all, let's take a personal question first. Which one is your best car and why?
And being the brand director, it's like asking, father, which of your children are your favorite? I think all I love them, all of them equally. But usually you lean towards the new baby in town, which is the Kailak.
And we got the answer. The Kailak is the best one. And Ashish, we want to study the market dynamics as well. So we have seen a price a little pushed down. How are you competing with the market strategies and the market share, especially in the automotive industry, which is very much expanding in India?
No, I think you're talking about the Kailak segment that we have entered. I think it's a hyper competitive segment, and you know that it's one of the biggest segment. It is the biggest segment in the Indian automotive industry, and just by the nature of the price points and the segment itself, it's a hyper competitive one. So very clearly, you have to be point on with your strategies. You have to be point on with your product. You have to be point on with your pricing, which I believe we have done. The product is outstanding. The reviews that we have got, and I've spoken to many customers, they're just loving the styling of the car, the European, the SUV-ness of this car, the driving dynamics which are given in any Skoda, the kind of safety that we offer, best in class, and importantly for us, I think the bigger feedback I'm getting is on the in-cabin experience. People are just loving the interior design of the car, the European premium feeling that this cabin is providing to the customers, and that I think is very, very important for this segment of customers who are now coming into first time buying a car.
Absolutely. And you also said yesterday, you were briefing us while that you are very excited to launch AOO segment collection here, and also we can see here these beautiful Kodiaq. It's also stationed here. So tell me something about this. What is new, because 2.0 is being launched as a new avatar. So talking about these cars also entering the market, what is your point of revenue? What is the expectations? How do you see the brand going forward in 2025?
If you look at the Kodiaq, you're talking about the Kodiaq now?
Of course.
The Kodiaq, I think, is also just fresh off the blocks. It's
Yeah.
a fully redeveloped new generation Kodiaq world over. And for the first time within 6 months of its global launch, or 6 to 8 months, we have brought it to India. Very exciting price points as well.
Yeah.
Looking at a complete redevelopment, the kind of features it offers, I think exciting price points, and the response has been phenomenal. The customers have responded exceedingly well to this car. The Kodiaq is already established as one of the leading offerings in this segment.
Okay.
And I would even bet to say that there is nothing better than this available in the market at these price points right now.
Okay.
So in the first 1 month itself, we have more than 500 bookings. Last month itself, we delivered close to 250 cars.
Nice.
So very well received.
Well, talking about the overall revenue, what are your expectations in 2025?
Revenue, okay.
Yeah.
So I don't count in terms of revenues. I'm not a finance guy, but that's the outcome of my actions. So I've not actually calculated the revenue, but simple ballpark figures. You're now getting into a mass segment. You are more than doubling your volumes from last year, or more than 2.5 times of your volume. So revenue should keep pace with that.
Just paint a picture, how much will you be expanding all over India as well? And if you want to touch international markets, because we were thrived listening to you yesterday as well, please paint a picture.
No, I think last year we ended with around 260 touch points.
Okay.
This year our target is to be present at 350 touch points in 200 cities.
Okay.
So that with that coverage, we will be covering almost 80-85% of the geography and the market in India. So that's a substantial jump for us as a brand.
Of course. So not last but not the least, before I let you go, I have to touch upon this surprise. The new product pipeline is coming in.
Yeah.
Few words. I will not ask you to just spill the beans, but
I'm only 3 or 4 words for it. It's worth waiting for.
okay, that's great. Just wanted to know that what will be your short-term goal, one short-term goal and one long-term goal as a new brand director, because we have seen so much excitement going on.
I think long-term goal definitely has to be customer trust.
Okay.
That's the bedrock of any business, and I would be lying and I would not be saying the right thing also and not the right strategy if I don't focus on that. So long-term strategies definitely is to generate trust. Easier said than done, but also not so difficult. I think trust is generated by keeping your promises. Trust is generated by being consistent,
Of
and
course.
trust is being by authentic. Yeah, so that is something as a long-term goal. I definitely see it as short-term goal. I think for this year, I think maintaining our rank 7 in the market is a clear short-term goal.
Yes, much congratulations for that as well. So we have listened to the many beautiful insights which Mr. Gupta has painted us, and we are eagerly waiting for what's coming up next in the product portfolio as well. And we hope to meet you soon. Once again, driving in your amazing cars. Thank you so much for speaking to
Looking
us
forward.
and coming on Business Today. Thank you,
you so
Ashish. Lovely speaking to you. Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.